Objectives: multiplication of integers. Illustrations. If an investment in a share is incurring a loss of $3 per day and another share is rising with a profit of $5 per day, what is the total loss or profit in 2 weeks? Conventionally, loss is represented by a negative number and profit is represented by a positive number. So, in order to solve such problems, we need to learn multiplication of integers. Let the small green square represent +1, positive counter, and the small red square, the flip side, represent -1, the negative counter. Let's visualize the value of +2 multiplied by +3. +2 times +3. This numerical expression can be interpreted as arrangement of 3 positive coins in 2 rows each. +2 into +3 equals to +6. So, product of 2 positive numbers is a positive number. Let's visualize the value of +3 multiplied by -4. +3 times -4. This numerical expression can be interpreted as arrangement of 4 negative coins in 3 rows each. +3 into -4 equals to -12. So the product of one positive number and a negative number is a negative number. Let's visualize the value of -2 multiplied by +3. -2 times +3. This numerical expression can be interpreted as the opposite of arrangement of 3 positive coins in 2 rows each. Here, the phrase opposite of indicates flip the coins. -2 into +3 equals to -6. So, the product of one negative number and a positive number is a negative number. Let's visualize the value of -3 multiplied by -5. -3 times -5. This numerical expression can be interpreted as the opposite of arrangement of 5 negative coins in 3 rows each. Here the phrase opposite of indicates flip the coins. -3 into -5 equals to +15. So, the product of 2 negative numbers is a positive number. With this activity, we can conclude that if the signs of 2 numbers are the same, the product is always a positive number. Plus multiplied by plus equals to plus. Minus multiplied by minus equals to plus. If the signs of 2 numbers are different, the product is always a negative number. Plus multiplied by minus equals to minus. Minus multiplied by plus equals to minus. Illustration 1. Plus 7 into plus 3 equals to plus 21. Plus 7 into minus 3 equals to minus 21. Minus 7 into plus 3 equals to minus 21. Minus 7 into minus 3 equals to plus 21. Illustration 2. Plus 8 into plus 4 equals to plus 32. Plus 11 into minus 2 equals to minus 22. Minus 14 into plus 3 equals to minus 42. Minus 9 into minus 5 equals to plus 45. From this table, observe that 2 like signs make a positive sign and 2 unlike signs make a negative sign. Example, what is minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4? First multiply minus 2 into minus 3. 2 like signs make a positive sign. So, minus 2 into minus 3 equals to plus 6. Next, multiply plus 6 into minus 4. Two unlike signs make a negative sign. So, plus 6 into minus 4 equals to minus 24. Result, minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 24. If negative integers are multiplied odd times, product is always a negative number. For example, minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 120. If negative integers are multiplied even times, product is always a positive integer.
Yes, this is about. So now I'm going to explain with the whiteboard. I think we have seen the video. So this video is help us to understand better about ourselves, about the multiplication of, what is multiplication, how to multiplication of okay, right. Multiplication of integers. How to multiply integers? Okay, first I'm going to tell you one thing. There are altogether 4 possibilities to multiply the numbers. And one is plus into plus. And another one is minus into minus. The dot represents into in the mathematics. So when we multiply positive and positive, we get the positive integer as a product. And when we multiplied a negative and negative, we'll get a positive product. So keep it in our mind this point. When we multiply positive and positive, we'll get positive, and when we multiplied negative and negative, we get positive. But what about the remaining possibilities? One is plus, another one is minus. We get minus value, and another is a minus, and into plus we get a negative value. That means what we expecting from the multiplication of these two multiplication of symbol, the integers, by using, there are 4 possibilities altogether. Plus into plus, plus, the product is plus, minus into minus, the product is plus. The remaining 2 cases, plus into minus is minus, and minus into plus is minus. So let us understand about by taking examples, right? So one example is, so multiply plus 2 and plus 6. So it is belongs to the first case, the room number 1. This is room number 2. This is room number 3, and this is room number 4. It belongs to room number 1. If you multiply positive and positive, then we get the product also positive, right? So plus 2 into plus 6, that is equals to plus into plus plus 2 6 are 12. This is the product. We'll get one more example. Plus 5 into plus 7. So what would be the answer? The product is positive. Why? Because plus into plus. So this is plus positive and this is positive. We are multiplying. When we multiplied 2 positives, we get positive integer. 5 sevens are 35. So this is about when we multiplied the positive and the positive, we get positive integer. And next second example, and negative and negative. Okay, let us discuss about that. -2 into -6. So we are talking about room number 4. Both integers are minus, negative and negative. When we multiply negative integer by a negative integer, we get positive integer product. We get the product as a positive integer. So minus into minus, it is a plus, and 2 6 are 12. So remember that when we multiplied positive by positive, we get a positive, and also when we multiplied negative by negative, also positive. So in all other remaining cases, we get minus. We can take any number. See here, I'm taking one more example. -6 into -5. Yeah, it is a minus negative and it is negative. When we multiply two negatives, that is a plus. 6 5 is a 30. Sir, okay. When we multiply two numbers, we just getting a positive integer as a product. But if you multiply more than two numbers or more than two integers, yes, I will come to the point. -2 into -3 into -4. Now we are multiplying three numbers. See, if you multiply the three numbers, the result will be minus. Why? Because the number of integers are odd number. Okay, if you multiply three integers, we get negative product. The number of integers are odd number. If the number of multiplicants are an odd number, the result will be negative number. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. If we take four numbers, -2 into -3 into -1 into -2. Okay, right. Now there are four integers I have to multiply. This time what will be the result? What is the symbol for the result? Okay, 1 2 3 4. There are four integers we have to multiply, so that we get positive symbol. Okay, the number of integers are in the multiplication is odd number, we get negative, especially if all integers are negative. Negatives, all integers are negatives. If that too it is odd number, we get a negative, and if they are negative or positive even number, we get a positive, right? 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So this is about the multiplication of two negative integers. Only these two cases we get positive, plus into plus or minus into minus. But the remaining all cases we get only minus. Okay. If you want, you can get one screenshot. Then I will go for the next one. I will take that next paper. Next, third case. For example, Teskundam, just getting one example here. +3 into -4. Yes, one is positive and another is negative. If you multiply positive and negative, I told you already, we have discussed and we have seen in the video, that is negative product. So plus into minus is always minus. Okay, positive into negative is gives negative product. 3 4s are 12. So when multiply positive and negative, 3 4s are 12 minus 12, right? Next, if we multiply one more number, +3 into -2 into +4. Oh my, this is the good we have to learn. See, -3 into -2. First of all, we use associative property here. We already learned yesterday. So today we can use it now, right? Yes, one positive and a negative. You know that one positive, one negative, what will be that? Plus into plus, plus, minus into minus plus. Yes, only these two cases we get positive. But here one is plus and one is minus. Definitely we'll get minus. At minus 6. Okay. Into this is positive. Okay, it is now minus into plus. This is also will give minus integer to us. 6 4s are 12. So if it is more than 3 integers, you just use associative property and we will give the product of the given multiplication of integers. Okay, and this is so whatever except in these two cases, we get plus. But all other cases, plus into minus, that is minus. Minus into plus, that is equals to minus. So this is very, very important point to be keep it with you, right? Now I'm going to this is all about the topic which we need to learn. So I'm going to unmute yourself to ask anyone. Please ask me a question.